fuck sing there? The fuck?
Look for it.
Yeah, let him sing it.
The fuck? The fuck?
Hey, y'all.
I'll go buy her
Thank you.
Chick-fil-A right now. I'll suck on the bone. Like that titty off. Say sorry.
Sorry.
It's okay. I'm not mad. Zoe? I'm still mad. Zoe. When we Easter egg hunt today, if you're in the way, we'll kick, you know?
Happy Easter, everybody. Let me block this bitch.
You should have seen Lee earlier. She bit Lee's leg.
Dude.
He was trying to get her off, but she flew.
You're in church.
Girl,
get off your phone. What the fuck?
She held on to his sock.
Happy Easter. Happy Easter.
He didn't know that she had bit it.
Happy Easter Day.
He was still doing it.
I think, yeah. Happy Easter.
Open. You need to get the fuck on with that shit.
My grandma and my grandma boyfriend cooking. Me?
She's small. You're protected in the cage game.
I'm not eating nothing. I mean, I'm not cooking nothing. I'm eating Popeyes right now though to hold me off.
She's tiny though. I would be scared to sleep on that.
B-Dye, I miss you. Like what the fuck? And you know we deep as fuck. No, for real. Like, what are we doing?
No. Oh, you said
B-Dye, I don't know if you know, but like, I'm gonna be out there permanently for like a year. So, yeah, you're gonna be very tired of me. We're gonna be with each other every day.
I don't know if I remember, but I used to get
My shoe size is a 38.
I don't know if I can do it. I used to know that. Genesis, Exodus, Leviticus, Numbers, Deuteronomy, Joshua,
Lululemon.
Ruth, 1st, 2nd Samuel, 1st, 2nd Kings, 1st, 2nd Corinthians, Chronicles, Ephesians.
You got the same phobia? That sucks.
Oh.
I'm finna do my hair and my makeup, y'all.
Ecclesiastes.
Yeah, we got an hour. Wait, 5 o'clock for what?
People are gonna start coming and she's ready.
Well, shit, they gon'.
So they gonna get here when we leave.
When we leave. Because we're definitely going to get that podcast. On my soul, we're going to get that shit, bitch.
Yes, we're streaming today as soon as I do my makeup. I'm finna set up for the games first, and then I'm gonna start my stream.
All you gotta do. No, you don't do that while I'm singing. I'm praising God.
Yeah, I'm at my grandma's house. And let me tell y'all something. Let me say something, bitch. I had to wipe the sides of my mouth for this. Because don't ever get on Beyonce's internet and say my best friend is not motherfucking welcome here. On the dead homies. This is my grandma's second child. Word of bro. She's very much good here. Regardless of what the fuck, bitch.
Who the hell chatting about shit they don't know?
Just chatting. She's very much good here. The fuck? Mm-mm. She's good.
The fuck?
My grandma loves her.
The fuck?
They get drunk together. They dance together. They cried together last night.
Don't tell nobody that. Don't be telling me I be crying.
So y'all gonna stop trying to do all that when it come to her.
Now you get that before you bust it open.
This
What's she busting up? What's she finna bust it open? Girl.
on the dead homies and all that going broke shit, bitch. Watch your mouth. Fuck do y'all be talking about? What? Yeah. Bitch, one downfall, and that was the compact house. Like I wasn't them before the compact house. Like, come on, bro. Nigga, that was just an investment gone wrong. Nigga, this shit happened. What? It's not an L if you learned from it. Y'all need to stop all that chat and shit y'all do when y'all get on Beyonce internet. Fuck do y'all be talking about? Wait. It's not an L if I learned from it.
Even when I try to go home, they didn't tell me not to go home.
Yeah.
So, we should start there. Bitch, when the contract house was over, I was supposed to go back to Houston. What'd you say, Dex?
Yeah, no.
Come on now. That's why I don't speak on shit. I let y'all have it because y'all think y'all know everything. Y'all don't.
Y'all think y'all know everything, bitch. Nigga.
It's an old video.
A motherfucker can get a motherfucking Maserati. If he don't post that bitch every day, now his car repo. What? Someone can have a child. If they not posting with their child every day, now they not a good parent. Y'all ass be so negative on this internet. That bitch every day, now his car repo. What? Someone can have a child. If they not posting with their child every day, now they not a good parent. Y'all ass be so negative on this internet. But yeah, y'all ass be tweaking. Like what? Nigga, I had one investment gone wrong. That's cool. That's fine.
Damn.
I learned from it, so it's not an L. There's a million ways to make money, bitch. If you broke, that's the problem. Fuck y'all talking about? What?
You didn't notice why earlier we haven't told this is because this.
Y'all guys be bullshitting.
That's why I was looking at my.
But again, I ain't even gonna say too much, cause yeah,
Dummy.
I'ma let my success speak for itself. But watch your mouth. I've been in a cut, chilling, not worried about shit. Don't not bring me up in nothing.
I bet you he dropped out. I bet you saying foot over side of the road, check his pockets.
Motherfuckers be out the way and they still be dick sucking, bro.
No, I woke up because I wanted to piss me off. I had to go back to sleep. Nigga, I had to bake in the winter time when the
Getting highlights? I don't know.
I see Larry
This hair color, this wig definitely made me want to get it back though.
opposite because it really was on the floor because it dropped in the middle of my sleep.
For sure.
Bro, that hoe was all the way over here.
No, it wasn't. It was just sitting right next to you. Yeah, I know.
My best friend tried to try that pickle shit. I told her ass no. Shit like that would make me not want to eat pickles no more. Like, nah. Like, y'all ever ate something and it made you throw up and you don't want to eat it no more? Yeah, if I tried that shit, it would make me not want to try pickles anymore. Yeah. Hey, y'all, so look, I'm finna hit 100K on Twitch. So, can y'all go follow my Twitch so I can go out the country? Because when I get 100K on Twitch, I'm going out the country and I'm going to stream it for y'all. Let's see our account right now. Yeah, I got Twitch, friend. I'm finna show you. Watch. I'm finna show you.
For a second, or was it you?
Wait a damn minute.
Like, you know when you stare something too hard and like you feel like your eyes is playing tricks on you? I don't know. Anyways, it's probably the glare in the back though.
Damn, there you go. We at 97.4, y'all. Can y'all go follow me so I can go get 100K? Happy Easter.
Yeah. Yeah. But it's kind of like.
Yo, is this the best wig I've ever picked up?
You know what subject is?
I hate hearing my voice. Heaven on the couch. She talking to Keith.
No, speed is where you have to get for the same course.
You're subscribed. Thanks, babe.
How do we play? Like, is it 4
Y'all.
No, you start. No, you start.
Guys. Bitch.
What? What?
Nigga.
Hey! Shout out to my bitch on my soul. He has risen.
100K on the guys.
On
all the mad hoes.
100K on the mad hoes.
All the mad hoes, nigga.
Let me jump a split.
Yeah.
We hit 100K, y'all. On the Compact House channel, baby. We still wait on the Compact House channel.
That's another plaque.
Yep, that's 2 plaques for me. 2 motherfucking plaques. And y'all got the nerve to say, what? Are you dumb? Bitch, and this was in September. I started this channel in September. Let's really get into it. It's my 2nd plaque. What? And then we finna hit 100K on Twitch, ski.
Period.
Oh yeah.
Drop that. Switch. Go ahead. Send the pot too. Hey, make that. Send my.
Send that plate. Actually, I'm finna order that mug right now. Right. Thank y'all.
See your eye.
No.
It's only up from here. Right? I can all suck
No,
my
you didn't spit. No. I'm saying you took a deep ass breath. Oh, bro, she took a big ass breath too. Listen. Yeah, that was quick. You blew quick. Yeah, like you ever went to the eye doctor and they put your eye up against the thing and I've never had to get that. Never, bro.
How do you check your vision?
Bro, I get they usually give me the yellow stuff. Bro, whenever I had scratched my eye, this wasn't the last time, but my eye was scratched and they did that pressure thing in my eye. Normally they do that if you have dry eyes. It hurts so bad, bro.
What they do that for?
It's normally to see if you have dry eye.
I just know whenever I go to the eye doctor.
When I go on my trip, I'm vlogging and streaming. I'm doing both.
Now, if you ever watch,
But that's when we hit 100K.
Nadia, are we setting up the stuff on stream?
What you mean? Oh, the games and stuff?
We can do that right now. What time is it?
It's
Before we have to leave.
3:20. 3:30, we're gonna get up, do the games. After the games, we're gonna get dressed. Then we're gonna be good and we
Final destination.
out.
Yes. That was in the scene of Final Destination, that fucking eye thing. And the thing got you close.
I'm vlogging and streaming
They're coming out with a new
on a trip.
I know. You see him with the nose drinking?
I'm saying as soon as I'm finna hit Twitch, I'm
The
out.
second one, and I remember it was just one scene. And it's really crazy because like that movie just like you can literally die from almost anything. One wrong move and it's over.
Literally. The boy had his 17 years and he got caught on a chain. And like dragged to
No, yeah, but as soon as when I hit like 99.8K or 7K, I'm booking my flight. Like I'm out of here. Cause I either want to hit it out the country or I want to just hit it when I get there or something.
I'm about to let you. Is that the fucking
So. Yeah, I'm going on a trip when I hit 100K on Twitch. I'm waiting. I'm patiently waiting for it. I just hit 100K on the compact house. Just hit 100K, twin. Look. Just hit 100K.
Zoe girl.
Look, y'all. Look. I don't think everyone's seen this video. Let me show y'all.
Zoe girl.
Let me show y'all this video. Thank you. Because if y'all ain't watch it, it was for you. Look, y'all.
15-20 minutes aside and pull it out. Joey, is there good?
Don't lie. I was in my room sitting. I came out here, they said, "Can you just be the host?" I'm like, "Yes, be the host." Never ever been on the 2 minutes.
Yeah.
Who on the 2 minutes?
I said you were cook.
No, I'm saying I've never been on the 2 minutes. So never have I ever been on 2 minutes. I've never been on the 2 minutes.
Who's on 2 minutes right now?
Take it out.
Both of them.
Put it directly on the fire.
They're here for them. They're not here for me. No, I was supposed to get me up because
Are you even out here? Why the fuck are you even out here?
hey, anyways.
I kept on the game. I said, "Okay, hold on."
Yeah.
Why the fuck are you over here?
No, we was all just talking. Me, Key.
It's the game.
Play your game. What's the
Well,
game?
I'm a host.
So which one was for him? Ain't it? That video was so good. Thank you. Yeah, it's on the compact house page. I'm tired. I'm gonna do my makeup though. I'm gonna do my makeup. I'm gonna put some water on his hair because my hair is messed up. Happy Easter. Hey. Nothing happened, y'all. I'm just waiting to pop up, bro. Y'all gonna see everything the way everything happened. Y'all gonna, see what I'm saying? Just wait for me to type shit. Just wait for me. Just wait on it. Wait for the pop out, y'all. Y'all gonna understand why I've been in the cut. Yeah, my hair does match my eye color. That's why I be looking like I'm glowing when I have my highlights in, because it's my eyes.
I think I'm out there tomorrow.
Thank you.
Oh, dope.
Look at my edges. What shit messed up?
You can tolerate it.
I've never been outside.
It is getting scalp. My hairstylist is bomb as fuck. No, best 100K by the end of this week. We just need 3 more K. Really 2.6K. That's all we need, and we at 100K.
Yeah.
So by the end of this week, I'm claiming it. My grandma good. I'm finna stream y'all. I'm finna hop on Twitch in like 30 minutes. I'm finna hop on Twitch. We finna play games. Our city is doing an Easter egg hunt. They're dropping like $500 in eggs and shit. So we're gonna go do that too. Playing games here. My brother went to go get my niece. We're doing an Easter egg hunt. We're eating. We're doing all that. So I'm finna stream for y'all. So I just yawned. So my eyes watery. Thank y'all for the gifts.
Yeah.
I'll tell Leek to do it. We're not together, but I mean, we can do a video. Yes, I'm still going on tour June 18th.
Did you go to church today? All that nigga, did you pray today?
Yes, y'all. Go join my Twitch at 4 o'clock. 4:15 p.m. Central Time. Go fuck me.